Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use call forwarding in Android. Here are the steps to set up call forwarding on Android. First, make sure to unlock it, then open the phone app. Tap the three dots menu or more in the top right corner. Tap on Settings or Call Settings. Select Calling Accounts. Then choose your SIM card if dual SIM. Tap on Call Forwarding or Additional Settings. Choose the call forwarding type you want. Always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, forward when unreachable. Tap on the option you want to set. So tap on Always Forward. Enter the phone number you want calls forwarded to. Tap Enable or Turn on. Wait for the confirmation. You may see a network message. Test by making a call to your number to check if forwarding works. Take note, carrier charges may apply depending on your network. Some options may vary by Android brand or carrier. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.